Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to write text over image in Word. Firstly, choose the picture you want to use and right-click on it. From the menu, select Size and Position. Click on the Layout tab in the toolbar, then select Wrap Text. In the Wrap in Style section, choose the square option. Click on Insert in the toolbar, then select Text Box. Pick the text box style that suits your needs and a text box will appear on the picture. Type the text you wish to insert within the text box and highlight the text you've typed. Right-click and choose your formatting options from the menu. Select the box, then right-click on any of its edges. From the menu, choose options to format the shape of the box, such as making the background and outline transparent. Now, your text will be inserted on the picture in your Microsoft document Word. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.